Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix the gen invalid corrupt game data error in GTA 5 using some simple and working methods. This error usually appears because of damaged files or mod conflicts, so let's fix it step by step. First, open your game launcher like Steam, Epic Games, or Rockstar Launcher and verify the game files to repair any corrupted data automatically. Next, go to your GTA 5 installation folder and remove any mods you recently installed, especially ASI or script files, because outdated mods are a common cause of this error. After that, open your Documents folder, find the GTA 5 folder, and delete the settings.xml file so the game can create fresh settings. Now, disable your antivirus temporarily or add the game folder to exclusions to prevent file blocking. Also, make sure your graphics drivers and Windows are fully updated. Finally, restart your PC and launch the game again, and the error should be resolved. Subscribe the channel for more videos.